How to turn 100s into $10,000. Sounds crazy, right? But it's been done many times before. And it's happening now, right under our noses. Welcome back, friends. Let's dive into this journey. Not just numbers, but real possibilities. $100 isn't much. It buys 2 dinners, maybe gas for a week, or a pair of shoes. But what if it planted a seed? A seed for growth, for freedom, for something bigger. Let's begin with mindset. Every millionaire started small. Jeff Bezos began in a garage. Elon Musk coded at night. Kylie Jenner sold lip kits. Money grows from vision, from courage, from action. Start small, but think big. The average American spends $314 a month on subscriptions. Netflix, Hulu, gym memberships unused. Cut that in half. Redirect to investments. Now you've got seed money. Let's talk stocks. The S&P 500 gained 24% in 2023. That's a massive return. Apple hit a $3 trillion market cap. Amazon gained 80%. Invest $100. Hold for 10 years. Compound at 10% annually. That's $259. Now reinvest your dividends. It climbs faster? Use a Roth IRA. Tax-free growth. Every dollar counts. What about side hustles? In 2024, 44% of Americans have one. Freelance writing earns $50 one weekend. 5 articles, you've tripled your 100. Online surveys pay 10 to 20 each. Sell digital products on Etsy. Templates, wallpapers, AI prompts. Low cost, high demand. Print on demand tees. Start free with Printful. Design on Canva. Promote on TikTok. Viral videos sell shirts. $15 profit each. Sell 10 shirts. There's 150. Crypto? Yes, but cautiously. Bitcoin hit 73,000 in 2024. Ethereum above 4,000. Solana up 500% since 2023. Buy $100. Hold long term. Diversify to reduce risk. Use secure wallets. Staking earns passive income. Earn 4% on ETH. That's $4 per year. Still better than savings. Let's talk real estate. Too expensive? Not always. Use REITs, real estate investment trusts. Buy shares for $10. Earn rent-based dividends or fractional investing. Own 1% of a property. Platforms like Arrived Homes. $100 gets you started. Then there's flipping. Buy used books for $1. Sell on Amazon for $10. Buy sneakers on sale. Flip on StockX. Some Jordans sell for $300 plus. Garage sale treasures. Find undervalued items. Resell online. Profit margins can hit 200%. Now imagine compounding that week after week. Passive income grows. Let's talk content creation. Start a YouTube channel. Phone camera works fine. 0 cost. Time is your investment. Post consistently. 1 viral video e-income. YouTube pays $3 to $10 per 1,000 views. 1 million views equals $3,000. And it keeps paying forever. That's compound content. Now affiliate marketing. Promote products you love. Amazon affiliates pays 4%. Sell 1,000 worth. Earn $40. Use TikTok for reach. Hashtags bring attention. Engagement drives sales. $100 can buy tools. Ring light. Mic. Ad budget. Next, digital courses. Teach a skill. Editing. Marketing. Cooking. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Course creators earn thousands. Your $100 can build curriculum. Design slides. Record lessons. Market on Reddit or Facebook. Build a niche audience. Then upsell ebooks. Cross-promote coaching. Now let's consider AI. 2024 is AI's golden age. ChatGPT exploded in usage. People build AI tools with no code. Sell AI bots. Offer AI services. Market research. Resume writing. Prompt engineering earns $100, sir. No degree needed. Just skill. Use free resources. Learn fast. Then monetize. Think about e-commerce. Start a store on Shopify. Free trial. Use Oberlo for dropshipping. No inventory. Sell trending items. LED lights. Pet accessories, phone gadgets. Spend $100 on ads. Facebook or TikTok. Test, tweak, scale. Now you're building momentum. Every dollar earns more. Consider investing in knowledge. Buy a $100 course. Learn SEO, social media, coding. One new skill is new income. High income skills change lives. 2024 salaries for coders average $125,000. Freelance SEO experts earn $75. Now time for mindset again. Stay patient. Stay hungry. Growth takes time, but action fuels speed. The richest people, they failed first. Many times, but they tried. They learned. They adjusted. And they won. So can you. 100 is a spark. Ignite your fire. Keep stoking it. Week by week, then it blazes into something powerful. Remember, this is real, not just hype. People have done it in all walks of life. Single parents, students, retirees. The door is open. Walk through it. Start today. For more insights and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences. Thank you for joining us today.